Now at 4 o'clock, time is running short in the North Atlantic. Oxygen on board that missing submersible near the wreckage of the Titanic is expected to run out in just about 15 hours. The Coast Guard says search crews continue hearing underwater noises, but they can't say for certain at this point if those are coming from that lost vessel. It is Wednesday afternoon. I'm Brian Taft.
And I'm Christy Aletto. Sarah is off. The big story on Action News is the urgent search to find this submersible. The Coast Guard said today that additional resources have now joined the effort. Their focus is near where those noises have been detected for the last 2 straight days.
Yeah, despite dwindling oxygen on board, officials are still calling this a search and rescue mission. ABC's Rena Roy with more on what we learned today.
More help arriving in the frantic search for a missing submersible carrying 5 people that was on a journey to view the wreckage of the Titanic. This Canadian ship with advanced deep sonar now on scene where crews are scouring more than 10,000 miles of the ocean.
The surface search is now approximately 2 times the size of Connecticut, and the subsurface search is up to 2.5 miles deep. We also have to factor in the ever-changing weather conditions, currents, and sea states that expand the search area every hour.
The U.S. Coast Guard says underwater noises were detected Tuesday morning in the search area and again on Wednesday. The noises described as banging sounds. A team of experts now analyzing the data.
With respect to the noises specifically, we don't know what they are. We're searching in the area where the noises were detected.
Officials estimating oxygen will likely run out by Thursday at 7 a.m. Rescuers fighting the clock but holding on to hope.
We will continue to work as hard and as quickly as possible in an effort to locate them.
The OceanGate Expedition's vessel, called Titan, disappeared 900 miles east of Cape Cod Sunday morning. On board, British explorer and billionaire Hamish Harding, Pakistani businessman Shahzada Dawood, and his 19-year-old son Suleiman, world-renowned Titanic researcher and diver P.H. Narjuleh, and the CEO of OceanGate, Stockton Rush. Mike Reese has gone on 4 dives with the company, telling ABC that during every single one, the sub lost communications.
It is always in the back of your head that this is dangerous and any small problem will turn into a major catastrophe.
OceanGate has faced scrutiny over the sub's safety features. Back in 2018, the year the vessel was built, members of a committee specializing in submersibles expressed unanimous concern about the sub's safety in a letter obtained by the New York Times and authenticated by ABC News.
Members say OceanGate did make some changes after that letter, and when it comes to those noises, experts say that it is important to remember this search is focused around the wreckage of the Titanic, which could mean metal and debris from the ship could be causing those sounds. In New York, Rena Roy for Channel 6 Action News. And you can download the 6ABC app to get the latest updates on the search for the missing sub right to your phone. We also have more on what we know about the people on board, including one passenger's ties to Philadelphia.